Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos out of Doritos. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and arrange Doritos on a baking sheet in a single layer. Sprinkle 2 cups of shredded cheese evenly and add jalapenos or olives if you like. Bake until the cheese is bubbly and edges crisp, about 5-8 minutes. Finish with diced tomatoes, sliced green onions, and a drizzle of sour cream. Pair with salsa or guacamole for balance. Start with a single Doritos layer on a rimmed baking sheet to keep chips crisp. Add toppings that benefit from baking first, like cooked meat or sliced jalapenos, then scatter 2 cups of shredded cheese so every chip gets coverage. Slide it into a preheated 375 degrees F oven and watch for bubbling and golden edges, which takes about 5-8 minutes. Let it cool briefly so toppings set, then add fresh garnishes before serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick recipe videos. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you prep, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof spout that's perfect when your hands are cheesy. I love grabbing it between steps so I don't lose momentum. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After baking, pile on fresh flavors like diced tomatoes, sliced green onions, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Dollop 1 teaspoonfuls of sour cream or guacamole per serving to balance heat and salt. Offer bowls of salsa, extra jalapenos, and pickled onions so guests can customize their plates. Serve immediately on a wide platter to keep chips accessible and crisp, and encourage sharing for a fun snack or party appetizer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.